2024 Bentley GTC. We fitted a Ghost 2 immobiliser. If we come round to the front of the vehicle now, we'll show you how that works. So if we simply start our vehicle up, as you can see, if we try to drive the vehicle, it will shut the system down, turn the engine back off. If we turn the vehicle off and we restart the system by simply starting the car, system will come back on. We're going to enter our password for the vehicle. That gives us 2 flashes at the very top. That now allows us to drive the vehicle. So as you can see, I can go to reverse and it will stay in gear and stay operational. If we switch the system off, we'll show you how to now change the password to the vehicle. We simply press your start button with no feet on the pedals. That turns your ignition on. We input our password you currently have. We get 2 flashes on the top. On the accelerator pedal, all the way down to the floor, we enter our password one more time. Once it flashes, we then release our feet from the pedal. That is now in its learning mode, ready for a new password. The buttons we have are 4 windows. We also have left and right and a paddle shifter as well. But for demonstration, we're going to move it across the button to your left-hand side. So we're going to go 4 times here. It gives us 2 flashes as confirmation. And if we do the same password again, it gives us again 2 flashes to confirm the password is on there. That is now saved as your new password. So we switch it off and we simply start the vehicle. We're just going to try that new password. We get 2 flashes to confirm it. There we go. That is now our new password. If we wanted to go into service mode, what we have is we input our password, the engine is on, ready for you to drive. Once you're at your place of destination, the driver's window 5 times. That will now flash 5 times. That is now confirmed it is ready and in service mode. If we switch the system off, that now allows anyone to drive the vehicle with no password, but it drives up the vehicle up to 30 miles an hour. Then once it reaches that limit or it passed its violation zone, it will then flash on the dashboard and bring the Ghost back into action. So as you can see, I can go into reverse, drive, move the vehicle with no password applicable. If we switch the system off, once you are collecting your vehicle, you must bring it back out of service. So you simply press and hold your brake, start your car as you normally would, and we enter our password for that car. So we're going to enter our password. We get 2 flashes. That has now brought the Ghost back on and into action for this vehicle. And that is how the Ghost 2 will work and operate on a Bentley GTCS 2024 model.